Hey everybody, it is Doug.
And Tamitha.
And we are about to go, well, we're in Cannes, France, and we're about to go here. And we're gonna get ourselves moon swatches. So we're on the Rue Antibes, which is a posh area, and there is a swatch shop.
Which one should we choose?
So we're now leaving the Swatch store with our moon swatches. We are at La Californie in Cannes.
Hello.
Say hello. We're going to unbox our two watches. So what did we get?
We have the mission to Pluto and we have the mission on Earth.
Nice, let's open them up.
The mission to Pluto.
So this is Tamitha's, she chose Pluto.
Let's turn it around this way. Wow.
And let's see the other one.
Alright, this is the mission
So this was
Earth. Is the
Mission
one
of
coming.
Earth. So this one's mine.
Oh, I love these colors too.
And here's the two watches. So we have Pluto and we have Earth. Hey everybody, it is Doug. I have now had this watch for 5 or 6 days now. I'm just kind of hanging on the ship, and so I thought I'd give kind of a review portion of this. Hopefully this wind is not too loud, and let's switch to Doug's perspective. So here's the watch, and just for so you have an idea of size, my wrist is 7 1/4 inches. That is 184 millimeters, but so this is how it wears on that size of a wrist. And really, this thing is a ton of fun. It really is a fantastic vacation watch, which is what I'm using it for. I've heard a lot of complaints from people about the band being cheap. This actually is, at first it was pretty hard, but it softened up within the first day. So it was actually quite nice, and I really like it, to be quite honest. One thing definitely, the watch itself does feel, the bio-ceramic feels just like plastic. I mean, it doesn't feel like anything of substance, so it feels, in that respect, kind of cheap. But it is, other things that I like or dislike about it, this particular version is very, very legible. The hands contrast very, very, very nicely against the dial. My girlfriend's, she has Pluto. Hers is not as legible. It's not bad, but it's just not as legible as this one. This one is fantastic, and So in wrapping up, I really do like this watch a lot. Once again, I think it's a little bit expensive, but all in all, it's a fun watch. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I look forward to doing another video for you.